A very good morning. I greet to society and to all the lecturers. My name is Lucia Anjoli and I am the Chief Executive Officer for Ghayana Construction Sendirian Berhad. In this wonderful day, I'll start the presentation by introducing our company. Ghayana Construction Sendirian Berhad is a company established in 14th of February 2017, commencing in activities involving infrastructures and production works. Along the years, our company has ventured into house development and building constructions such as proposed single-story open warehouse at Inanam, Sabah. We are registered as Grade 5 company with Pusat Hikmat Contractor. We aim to lead the team in understanding, aware of drawbacks and successful aspects in managing business via continuous support for each other. In addition, our company takes pride in every project and deliver it with high integrity and high standard. Moving on, the picture shown in the slide is our company. Our company is located at Phase 9, Taman Uni Central at Central City through Jalan Kuching Samarahan Expressway. It is a very strategic place because of the accessibility and not congested with traffic. Our vision is to be the lead builder and developer in every market and becoming a very competitive company to serve a high quality service. Our mission is we aim to bring advance to the local community in achieving clients' demand by providing a high quality service. As can be seen in the slide above, I have the largest shares in the company, which is 70% of it, and the rest of the 30% belongs to the project director, Jonabel Mijin. As I've already introduced myself, I am the Chief Executive Officer for Ghayana Construction Sendirian Berhad. Jonabel Mijin is the project director. Patrice Rendan Anak Batang is the Human Resource and Administrative Director. Eldaria Diana Claudius Fong is the Account and Finance Director, and lastly, Nicolette Van Faridzit is the Contract Director. The data above is our financial institution. Our company mainly capitalized by the company's shareholders and loan from the financial institution. As can be seen from the data above, we take loan from Maybank the most, which is 40% of it, and the rest of it we take it from RHB Bank and Alliance Bank.
Salam Sejahtera and a very good morning I bid to our final year lecturer, Mr. Noor Saidi, all lecturers, and to all my fellow classmates. Before I start my presentation for today, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Jonabel from EP1166A, and I am the project director for the company of Ghayana Construction Sendirian Berhad. On this beautiful day, I will be presenting about our company's tender document. First and foremost, Ghayana Construction has been listed by UITM Sarawak as one of the constructions company that will be competing in this tender along with other 11 substantial companies. This project is entitled of Cadangan Membina dan Menyiapkan Sebuah Dewan Serbaguna bagi kegunaan Fakulti Seni Bina Perancangan dan Ukur di atas lot 3442 Samarahan Land District, Jalan Entingan, Kampus Kota Samarahan, University Technology Mara UITM Sarawak. This project is consist of total below 5 million ringgit, which is according to our company's registration PKK class C. Our company has agreed to join this tender as according to the rules and regulations stated in the form of tender and the form of contract, which is agreed by both our company and UITM. Our company also agrees to have this project for a duration of 24 months, which is equivalent to 2 years. The commencement date for this project will be from the 24th of April 2020 till the completion date, which is on the 24th of April 2022 as stated in the tender. Our company has proposed an amount for this tender which is 3,885,505 ringgit 50 cents. This proposed amount is based from our company's estimated bills from build-up rate. The summary total of all the estimated bills are preliminaries, I am 267,918 ringgit 73 cents. Provisional sum 67,000. Piling works I am 773,189 ringgit 3 cents. Building works 2,287,678 ringgit 77 cents. External works I am 320,604 ringgit. Mechanical and electrical works I am 169,114.97 cents. All these estimated bills are calculated based on each and every detail in the build-up rate. From the chart stated above, the total of percentage that is used for preliminaries can be seen from the color gray and the color green, which is categorized into two categories, which is the gray color is for the general condition preliminaries, while as the green color is for the general preliminaries. For the general condition preliminaries, it uses up to 3% from the tender cost, whereas for the general preliminaries, it uses up to 4% from the cost. Next one, provisional sum. You can see from the blue color, it's stated that the provisional sum only uses up to 2%, which this is stated as the most least percentage that uses cost from the total of tender cost. Piling works. Piling works, the yellow color, you can see that it uses 20% from the tender cost. This is stated as the second most highest percentage than building works. Next one, building works. Building works, you can see from the pink color, it uses up to 59% from the original cost of from tender, which this states as the highest percentage of cost used for this upcoming project. For the external works only list as 8%. You can see from the peach color, it only stated 8%, which it only used from the cost of tender. The last one, mechanical and electrical works. Mechanical and electrical works uses up to 4%, which you can see from the red color of chart. The mechanical and electrical works, as well as the preliminaries for the general preliminaries, has the same percentage. So here you can conclude that the possibility uses of cost may be the same. Now, I will be presenting site layout. This is the picture of our site layout that is designed by the consultant architect of Ghayana Construction Sendirian Berhad. As according to the site layout, it is shown that the building is still located near to the unit Kesehatan. Based on this layout also, the area will be surrounded with a hoarding fence. At the entrance of this building, there will be a project signboard, a wash bay, and a guardhouse. The areas of this building will also be surrounded with trees and bushes around. Inside the area, there will be few temporary buildings such as consultant site office, contractor site office, temporary worker quarters, temporary canteen, storeroom, cylindrical balancing tank, and the building itself. A fire hydrant will also be located near to the building as it can easily reach the building in case of any emergency. The parking lot area for this building also will approximately fit 10 to 15 cars.
Good morning to society and to all the lecturers. I'm Eldaredana Korisfong, and today I'll be presenting about schedules and site organization chart of our company.
This project was started on 24th of April 2020 for duration of 24 months and ended on 22 of April 2022. Our company has acquired that the highest labor production throughout the construction progress was on the month of April 2021, which was 37 of laborers work on that month. Work that involved were finishing work for staircase on the early of April from 6th of April to 15th of April, which consists of general worker and painter. Next, on the 16th of April, framework has started and ended on the 14th of May, which consists of barbender, carpenter, general worker, and concreter. The least number of labor production was on the month of April 2020. Work that involved was scaffolding and hoarding on 24th of April to 11th of May, which only consists of general worker and project director, which was only 6 laborers. The highest material production throughout the construction progress was on the month of February 2022, usage of 320. The highest material usage was on 2nd of February 2022 to 18th of March 2022, which are internal floor finishes, floor tiles, waterproofing system and painting, sanitary fittings, and sundries. The least usage of material was on 11th of April to 22nd of April, which are sewerage and water reticulation works, and only 12 materials were used. The highest plant and machinery production use were 14 on 4th of December to 1st of January 2021, which were concrete mixer. Our company used less plant and machinery because our company mostly used manpower. This is our site organization chart, which consists of project director, Jonah Belmijin, project manager, Moses Anaksondo, site supervisor, James Charles, site quantity surveyor, Julius Jeffrey, site supervisor MNE, Josephine Anak, Jacob Alex, site engineer CNS, Harry McQueen, safety officer, Dylan Anak Henry and Junior Richard, security guard, Simon Powers and Thomas Ellison. The report from the site supervisor and project manager will be reported weekly to the project director regarding on the progress of the project. The supervisor will supervise all the workers before starting to work by making sure all the workers wearing PPE, personal protective equipment, for the safety of the worker. Site quantity surveyor will manage all cost plans for project and prepare contract, tender document, and including bill of quantities. Site supervisor MNE is responsible for the supervision of operating, reviewing the quality of work and progress required, and coordinate site work to ensure the progress of work effectively. Safety officer. Safety officer will be managing reviews of the safety and health system and provide all the workers personal protective
equipment PPE such as safety helmet, safety boots, and glove. Security guard will look after the construction site and to be alert all the time. This is to ensure that no intruders, vandals, and thieves to enter the construction site.
Good morning to Mr. Society and to all the lecturers. My name is Nicolette Fine, and now let's continue with our presentation. Extension of time. Here are the reasons why we applied for EOT. Guyana Construction Sdn Bhd applied for force majeure event under the clause 43.1b JKR 203A for MCO due to COVID-19 outbreak. The clause stated that the opinion of completion project are likely to be delayed. So, this is the reason why force majeure events were applied. Under the order of Kementerian Kesehatan Malaysia, no one is allowed to go outside because KKM are trying to handle the outbreak of COVID-19 and as well as to break the chain to minimize the risk of people getting infected. Here are the second reason why we applied for EOT. Nominated supplier delay under the clause 43.1J JKR 203A for COVID-19 outbreak. The clause stated that contractor can apply EOT if works likely to be delayed. Project planning. This is our actual work program Gantt chart. At the end of the right column, we can see the percentage of every activity. Our project has reached 40% of completion project in 12 months, but due to delay, we have to stop our activities. Now, let's move on to tracking gun. This is our tracking gun, but due to 90 days delay, our works and activity have been shifted, and a new tracking gun work program is produced. As you can see, the gray color is our actual activity, but after the date have been adjusted, a new work program is produced, which is the red color activity. A new date is produced, makes our project end on 26 June 2022.
Salam sejahtera and a very good morning to all lecturers and my fellow classmates. I'm Patrice Rendan Anawatang from EPU 1166A under the company Ghayana Construction Sdn Bhd. Today I would like to present about the cash flow of this project. The total cost of this project is 3,885,505.50. But as the project delayed for 3 months, the total cost of this project increased to 3,920,531.31. The contractor had to earn their own money for the additional cost of this project. As we can see from the cash flow that has been shown at the slide, the frame from under the building work activity, it should be done from March 2021 until July 2021. But the actual done for frame is in March 2021 until November 2021. That means this activity is delayed. Because of this activity delay, the remaining activities that depend on it will be delayed also. Then for the internal finishes, as you can see from the slide, it's scheduled to be done from November 2021 until January 2022. But the actual this activity to be done is in February 2022 until May 2022. This activity had been extended for 1 month. Same goes to the external finishes. The external finishes should be done in December 2021 and January 2022. but the actual done for this activity is in February 2022 until April 2022. Next is sunrise. Sunrise extends for 1 month. It's scheduled to be done in February 2022, but the actual done for this activity is in May and June 2022. Okay, the building work activities scheduled duration is 482 days, but the actual duration for this activity is 572 days. Okay, next is the external work activity. The scheduled duration is 28 days, but the actual duration is 21 days. The project duration for whole activity is increased from 600 days to 690 days. Next slide shows us the physical S-curve of this project. This data had been taken from the duration working days for each month. The second column shows us the planned duration working days for each month. The cumulative planned duration is the additional sum of the working days previous month and the current month. The third column shows us the percentage of plan complete, and the fourth column shows us the percentage of actual or delay complete. For the cumulative plan and delay complete, it is the additional sum of the complete percentage previous month and current month. The one that in the orange line, as you can see from the physical S-curve, is the cumulative plan complete, and the one with the green line is the cumulative actual or delay complete. Next slide, it's shown the financial S-curve of this project. The data had been taken from the cash flow of this project from the previous slide. The one with the orange line is the cumulative plan cost, and the one with the green line is the cumulative actual or delay cost.
The types of activities that our company will be held for our workers' safety and health are fogging, housekeeping, safety briefing, and checking for protection. Fogging will be conducting for once a month. This is to eliminate mosquitoes breeding at the construction site, plus in preventing of dengue cases happen. Safety briefing is mainly on briefing and checking on workers. This will act as a reminder for all the workers to always be safe and careful during working time. Housekeeping will be done for every weekend. This is to clean up the construction area for a tidy and organized working area. By conducting housekeeping every weekend, this will minimize the risk of the construction area. Checking on fall protection. Safety net is installed around the building to reduce falling risks of workers that are working at high area. In addition, personal fall area systems are provided for those who are working at high area. This table shows the accident of our company. The current total number of accidents are 7. 2 falling from height, 2 overrealization, 1 electrocution, 1 machinery accident, and 1 was burned. Since this accident happened, our company is very cautious and has tightened the safety and health rules.
Site Safety Implementation Plan. This is our site safety signage plan. We have placed all the signage around our construction area. This is to make sure that all the workers are alert and aware about the surrounding. They should know that working in a construction area is not safe. If there is any fire outbreak, they should follow the blue arrow, which is the escape route, and assembly in a parking area where emergency assembly point signage is located. Site safety and its function. Before all the workers went inside the construction area, they should be able to know and understand the meaning of every signage. For example, No smoking signage. Workers should know that smoking inside the construction area is not allowed. Site Safety Implementation Report. Guyana Construction also provide Site Safety Implementation Report. This is to make sure all the workers will undergo training before working inside the construction area. A checklist will also be provided for the safety officer to go for an inspection and to make sure all the machineries are safe to be used.
Okay, next slide shows us the progress photograph of this project in month April. This photograph shows us the workers do the installation of column in construction site. The first diagram shows us the workers do the installation of reinforcement bar in the construction site. Okay, next slide shows us the progress photograph of this project in month April. This photograph shows us the workers do the installation of column in construction site. Okay, next diagram shows us the second diagram shows us the workers do the installation of the formwork, and the third diagram shows us the workers do the pouring concrete grade 30 inside the column. Thank you.